Using a watering can to simulate rain. Water is drained slowly and the water curtain blocks the view. Clean the front windshield before use. Put masking tape in the middle of the windshield to facilitate comparison later. Spray the AEROPAK rain off evenly. Gently wipe with a clean towel in circular motions. Spray water again to simulate rainy environment. After spraying AEROPAK windshield and window rain off, water quickly forms water droplets after contacting the glass and slides down quickly. The areas that have not been sprayed still drain slowly, and the rain forms a water curtain, affecting the sight. Lotus effect makes rain disperse quickly and not easily adhere to the windshield. The window glass is also tested in the same way.